Welcome back to Wicked F150. Today we are doing a bull bar. So the video I watched online said to remove those two pieces. As you can see, I only removed one because I don't need to remove it at all. There's no reason for it. My 18 F150 came with the tow hooks. As you can see, I already did this side. Now those two bolts are the factory bolts. I'm reusing them. I don't need to use the U-bolts that came with the bull bar itself. But they are a pain to get to. They really are. This one, if you can see, with the tow hooks, it has this plastic and rubber piece around the tow hook. So to get to this one, you can't get a socket up there to use a socket wrench or anything like that. And this one, it has a, I'll show you on the piece itself. It sits in there like this. So the back bolt is hitting this. So you can't get a socket wrench in there because it's, I mean, if you're looking at it like this, bolts above this, you can't get the socket in there. So it's all, I didn't have a 90-degree socket, so I've been using this. They are 15. But this is the bracket for the bull bar. Already in. I mean, it still does move a little bit, but I tightened it down pretty much. I got it straight. I mean, I'm not going to move that piece. The only piece that needs lined up is these side holes here for the bull bar. But I just did a different thing on the passenger side here. Now, if you look, this hole right here that I cut, of course, it's covered. Now, there is a little slit of rubber right here. But on the first one, I did cut the rubber down here at the bottom and the rubber at the top to be able to get in there, that hole where the bolt was, with the wrench. However, you're not using this piece again anyway. This entire thing is coming out, and if I decide to get rid of the bull bar and put the tow hooks on, I'll just buy new ones. Because this was so much easier. I went ahead and used snips and cut the plastic the whole way up here and cut it back. You can see the angle here, because it comes out to right here. I cut it the whole way back to there so I could get the impact gun and take it right out. Now I just got to loosen the one in the back with a wrench, just enough to slide the tow hook out. And it's easy enough. Learn from my mistakes. And there's the finished product. No, I think it does look pretty good. There's the two bolts that hold it on. Now the video I watched on YouTube on how to do this, it put the bracket for the bull bar on the outside on both sides. This one that I got off eBay from some auto parts store in California, it puts them on the inside. But I did say earlier that I tightened the bolts for the bracket, the blue ones. I did have to loosen them up. Do not tighten them down the whole way before you go to put the actual bull bar on. You will have to adjust that a little bit. So leave them just a little loose. But I put this one in first, and then this one, left them loose to line it up to get the same space the whole way through. And make sure it's straight, not sitting at an angle. But that's how you put it together. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.